Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the wired gaming keyboard model number JS268 from the company RisoPhy. As always, I will link the item accordingly. But let's go ahead and open it. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to do a quick unboxing, take a look at everything it comes with, and then I'm going to hook it up to my laptop and we will take a look at it in action. So give me a second here to open it up. Shouldn't be too much in it. I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. Now I'm going to be honest, I'm not a gamer here, so you won't see me pulling off any of the keys or doing any of that kind of stuff. But what I did want it for is because I wanted a keyboard that lights up, and we'll definitely be taking a look at the light. Let me sit it flat here. Basically, simply got a USB cable connected to the back. This is a corded keyboard. It is not a cordless keyboard. And that's what it looks like. You've got a little area here to rest your palms. Nice and big. I don't want any of these small keyboards. I want big, and I want the 10 key. We've got the keyboard and we've got the user manual. I'm gonna go through the user manual and get my computer. Let's get it hooked up, see what it looks like when it's lit up. All right, so literally it took 2 seconds for me to get this thing going. Nice thing about this keyboard is it is a plug-and-play keyboard. Take the USB cable, plug it into your computer. That's it. You don't have to download any software, drivers, any of that stuff. You're ready to roll. There's a couple functions on it. I'm gonna try and show you those. You've got a little star key down here at the bottom. You'll notice that there's no lighting up on my keyboard right now. That's perfectly fine. If you want to turn off the lights, you can press the star key. When you want to turn them on, simply press it, and that's your on-off button. The lights are on, the lights are off. When they're on, you have a couple different options. If you look, you'll notice that there's these different colors going on, but there's nothing changing. If I press the function in star key, it'll change to where it's kind of a glowing. Goes on, goes off, goes on, goes off. So you can set that however you want. If you want to switch it back, again, function and star. And then really aside from that, if you press the function key and use page up or page down, you can adjust your brightness. So function, page down, dims it, function, page up, brightens it. Really simple to use, nice and responsive. I'm going to type something just so you can see the responsiveness. Now, a lot of gamers out there might be mad because they don't hear that clicking noise. Personally, that's why I like this keyboard. I can use it at the office and it's not just sitting there making clicking noises all day long. It's nice and quiet, but the keys are raised, so it's easy to get to the keys. Again, no loud clicking if that's what you're looking for. But that's it. That's a quick look at the gaming keyboard. Again, I will put a link to this in the video. As always, if the video helped, likes are appreciated. Thanks for watching.